You have 23 tabs open right now and you know it. Closing this window by accident would ruin your week. Here's how to make that impossible in 2 seconds. Look at this mess. Tabs for work, tabs for shopping, tabs you opened 3 days ago and never closed. One wrong click and all of it is gone. Right-click on any tab, or just hit Ctrl Shift D on Windows or Command Shift D on a Mac. Watch that. Every single tab just got swept into one new bookmark folder. Nothing closed, nothing lost. You can reopen the whole set anytime you want. That's the fast way. But if your tabs are already sorted into one of those colored groups, there's a better trick. Right-click the colored label on the group right there in the tab strip and choose Save Group. Look at that fly. The group just launched itself onto your bookmarks bar as a little colored pill. Same name, same color. Click that pill later on this computer or any computer signed into your account, and every tab in that group reopens exactly the way you left it. So here's the simple rule. Use Bookmark All Tabs for a quick one-time save. Use Save Group for the tabs you come back to again and again.